Hi, Justin Lobato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to talk about the product line of Marine 31. From that lineup, we have the Marine 31 Fabric and Vinyl Cleaner, which was designed as a concentrated formula to remove ground-in dirt, soiling, light mildew, and with that, it allows you to be able to basically cover so many different fabric and vinyl surfaces such as bimini tops, T-tops, vinyl cushions, inflatable boats, seats, boat covers, sail covers, deck awnings, all types of surfaces that this product could be used on. This is great because the application is straightforward in regards to simply spraying the surface, agitating, and wiping away. Once that's complete, you have a nice clean surface. If it is a bit more soiled, then you may want to duplicate that and of course agitate with a brush. But once you're fully complete with cleaning the surface, then you'll want to come back, of course, with Marine 31 fabric protectant or vinyl protectant to really seal off the surface. For more information about Marine 31 fabric and vinyl cleaner, visit autogeek.com.